So today we're talking about sunflower seeds, but like raw sunflower seeds. I didn't think this intro all the way through. So raw sunflower seeds are packed with vitamins, right? Vitamin E, which is really good at apparently helping your brain function. So I feel like I haven't been eating enough, sunflower seeds with vitamin E and stuff because my brain has been slacking recently. But if you eat them in raw form though, because as we know, once you start cooking things, that's when you start losing a lot of the vitamins and minerals and nutrients. So if you take it in the raw form, you can't really see this, but it's just a bag of like raw sunflower seeds, and then just eat them. Now I usually put mine on top of salads, or I just eat them like that because I like the flavor. So yeah, try not to get like the David sunflower seeds, the roasted kind. Like I understand they're good. I know I grew up on them, but raw is always better. Raw is always better. So one thing I learned when I was in school was that there's a good cholesterol and bad cholesterol. So sunflower seeds, raw sunflower seeds, have this like chemical compound inside of them, like natural chemical compound. Or the compound inside that replicates cholesterol, the good kind of cholesterol. So it reduces the bad kind and ups your good kind. Now, one thing I found out when I was looking around for stuff about sunflower seeds was that companies like butter companies, like I can't believe it's not butter, margarine kind of companies, what they do is they extract this compound from sunflower seeds and other nut-like substances and then put it into their stuff, so their butter. So you see like cholesterol free or reduces cholesterol on their product. What they've done is they've taken it out and put it into, they've taken out this chemical thing and put it into their fake thing to make you think it's good for you. So it just makes you wonder about like Cheerios, cause is it Cheerios? Yeah, Cheerios, because it says like heart healthy, good for your cholesterol and stuff. Are they doing the same thing with their products? And if so, why am I eating them? Like, so I don't eat Cheerios, but like, why are we eating the fake stuff where you can just get some sunflower seeds? So, yeah, don't tell me I said that though. I don't want that beef. Again, still vegan. All right, so also, the sunflower seeds are very high in magnesium, which we talked about earlier. Seeds got me burping. But high in magnesium, which is really good. Dang it, what was I going to say? I forgot. Oh, got it. Okay. Yeah. So it's really good at reducing like asthma and stuff, and if you have migraines. So the magnesium content and that stuff, like we talk about with other raw fruits and vegetables, do a great job of helping your body heal and maintain its optimum efficiency. So raw. Also, according to scientists and whatnot, it's actually really good at detoxifying the body, like cleansing out the body. The sunflower seeds are. So if you are trying to go on like a nice little cleanse or something, try some sunflower seeds. Now remember, sunflower seed oil is also really good for the skin because it does detoxify. So that's something I like to use a lot in my products, is sunflower seed oil, because I really like the way it feels. I like the way it locks in moisture. I like the way it tastes when I cook with it. I just really enjoy this stuff. Also, according to scientists, it does a good job of repairing DNA. How? I have no clue. But apparently it does a job of like fixing your DNA. I don't know how, but that's something it does. Little strands, it fixes it up. So if your DNA is bad, get some sunflower seeds. Okay, yeah. Subscribe. Thanks.